We had a chance to speak with Dr. Christine Horner early in the show, and we'll hear more of her thoughts about the Nutrius system a little later. But another doctor has also investigated the benefits of this revolutionary system. Dr. Frederick Vanini is a board-certified cardiovascular surgeon and medical director of the Anti-Aging Centers of New York. He's also on the advisory board of the International Academy of Anti-Aging Medicine. Dr. Vanini is a radio personality and a New York Times best-selling author. He's often seen on national television news programs as a respected authority on health and nutrition.
You know, nowadays with poor diet, lack of exercise, sun exposure, chemical exposure, our patient's skin is going down the drain, and I see it in my practice every day. People come in and you pretty much know who's healthy by taking a look at their face. And when it comes to skin, I'm very excited about the Nutrius age-defying system. This system is for the entire body. The skin of the entire body will be improved. Why? Because it is a system. It is not just a cream. The ingestible supplements are extremely important and unique aspect of this system. They contain vitamins, antioxidants, minerals, herbs, and amino acids that help cellular integrity. It helps nourish the tissue, enhance the collagen, increase elasticity, and therefore make you look younger. When you compare the hundreds of products on the marketplace today, which are basically only topical agents, to the Nutrius age-defying system, there is no comparison. Why is that? Because the Nutrius system has a great topical, which works great, and I've tried it in my practice, and includes the treatment from within, the ingestible supplements to improve cell health and promote good skin cellular integrity.